The K-Select Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer combines a sleek design with our most popular features. Kick up your coffee strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K-Select Brewer. Select from 4 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. Quiet Brew technology minimizes noise when in use. The removable reservoir holds 52 ounces, which means you can brew 5 cups with just 1 fill. The K-Select Brewer is made with fingerprint-resistant materials, and the drip tray is top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. The programmable auto-off turns the brewer off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. Using your K-Select brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew every time.